Hi everyone! In this video we will evaluate variable expressions involving subtraction with integers. Evaluate 5p squared minus 34p plus 7 when p equals 9. The first thing we need to do is substitute. Because I've been given what p equals 9, we will substitute every single time we see p with 9. But before we do that, let's go ahead and give ourselves our parentheses around every single variable so that we know where to substitute the 9. Then let's go ahead and rewrite it. 5 parentheses, just where the p is, and notice that the squared is on the outside, minus 34 with those parentheses for the p, and plus 7. Now that I have a space for where the 9 will go, let's go ahead and put those in to the sets of parentheses. So we have 9 squared and 9 there. The reason we do that is it keeps it all nice and organized and clearly indicates what our operations are. Here we know that the 9 is being squared but not the 5. And over here we know that the 9 is being multiplied to the 34, and we don't accidentally misread that as 34 or 349 and not 34 times 9. Now we'll go through the order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. Multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. The parentheses that we have are not indicating that we have any operations that we need to do first. They're just indicating that we have some multiplication. I do have an exponent though, so let's go ahead and do that one first. So we have 9 squared here. That means 9 times 9, which is 81. Let's go ahead and keep it in its parentheses so that we know that we will be multiplying this to the 5. And then we copy everything else down just as we have it on the step before. And then we'll move to the next step. Now that we've done all of the exponents, we'll go through multiplying and dividing from left to right. Here we have 5 times 81. You can use your calculator or you can do it by hand. Either way, we end up getting 81 times 5 is 405. And then on the same step, we will also go ahead and do 34 times 9. Using my calculator, I get 306. And we haven't done the 7 yet, so we simply copy it down. Now we've done all of our multiplication and division from left to right, so we can add and subtract from left to right. Here we have 405 minus 306. Using our calculator, we'll get 99. And then the last step will be to add our 7, which gives us 106. And we finished our last step. And now we are all done. We have simplified our expression all the way down to 106, and we're finished.